stop struggling with complex setups. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up a professional Python development environment on Windows 11. From installing Python to running your own very first script in PyCharm. Are you ready to become a high-demand automation test engineer? Welcome to Guide Coachings. I am Mozam, and with over 10 years of experience, I know exactly what hiring managers are looking for. I don't just teach tools, I provide a complete career blueprint. From freshers to experienced professionals, I'll guide you through every step of the journey to your next big job offer. Reach out via the number below and let's start your transformation today. Alright, in this tutorial we are going to walk through the complete process of installing PyCharm on Windows 11. We'll start by installing the latest version of Python, then we'll download and set up PyCharm community. We are going to connect them together and finally run a hello world program to make sure everything is working perfectly. If this tutorial helped you get your Python environment up and running, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow tutorials. If you are a fresher or an experienced professional who is looking to become an automation test engineer, then contact me at the given number below. And if you are having trouble with any of the steps, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Happy coding!